What's up YouTube fam?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and today we're working with waveformers. I am so excited to try these. I've been seeing these all over YouTube, and of course I am late to the game, but I wasn't a YouTuber or on YouTube when they were doing them, so I'm going to do them now because I want to. Okay, so I'm starting off on freshly washed and damp hair, and for my styling products I'm using Mielle Organics, Pomegranate and Honey, Coil Sculpting Custard, and then I'm also using the Catalyst Styling Foam. So those are the only two products that I'm using today to style, and we're going to see how this goes. I hope it comes out cute. I've seen so many other videos where it came out really cute, then I've seen some where it came out looking broke, busted, and disgusted. So hopefully mine's is like the former and not the latter, but we're going to see. I am going for like the little fluffy, bouncy type waves and not the like I just got a perm waves. So we're going to see. So I did get 4 separate bags, and then each bag came with the little pink rod, and so I was told to make this process go easier to go ahead and have them all loaded up. So I have 4 loaded up already, ready to go, so we can make this process a little faster. And now I'm just going to add my product. I have a little small section right here. I'm just going to go in with the Mielle Coil Sculpting Custard and just apply a little bit and get my detangling brush, because we want to make sure there's no kinks or nothing. And I'm going to take my styling foam. Alright, so I watched a lot of videos and they say you twist it at the root. This is the easy way. You twist it at the root and then you hook it, then you just pull it through. Y'all, they ain't feel right. That kinda hurt. That did not feel right at all. Okay, but I got it in there. And it's in there pretty smooth. As you can see, my hair stops right here. And I did get the longest ones. I'll link everything down below, so don't worry about it. So it is secure at the root. I was worried because I figured like, man, my roots are going to be so poofy. But it's real secure. So let's go on to the next one. I got my hair detangled. And make sure, because child, it'll catch on a nap real quick. Pull it through. Okay. Alright. There we go. Alright, y'all. I think I'm on to something. Alright, y'all. So I got 3 in here. And I'm reloading up. Thoughts so far? I don't even not know. I mean, I'm gonna see what happened. But I hope this don't take me forever to put these things in. Because you gotta use small sections. And then I have a lot of hair. So I'm just thinking, like, did I buy enough? I might just be over exaggerating just because how that thing almost pulled out my hair and I'm kind of upset. So I'm just kind of all over the place right now. But we gonna see. So y'all, I can already tell this ain't something I'm gonna be able to do on camera, y'all, because I'm only 3 in and I'm already frustrated. I'm already about to fight these things. It done pulled my hair out. Well, it ain't pull it out, but it tried. And I'm just like, this time I really gotta focus on. So I'm gonna come back when I'm up around here, so that way I can show you guys. Maybe by the time I make it to the front, I have a little rhythm going. I got a little system, and I can show y'all better how to do this. Because right now, honey, this mess is for the birds. It's for the birds. So don't go anywhere. Stay right there. I'm coming back. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and y'all, I ran out of waveformers. I got to the very end of my hair and I was like trying to make them white, but you know, you can only put so much hair into these things. And so now I'm just like, what am I gonna do? Okay, so I bought 48. So I bought one thing of 36, and then I bought, because that was the highest it can go, it was like 12, 24, 36. So I bought one thing of 36, and I knew 36 wasn't going to be enough. So then I reordered a 12 piece, which I'm thinking I probably should reorder a 24 piece, because now I have 48 in my head, and I still need about I need 2 more. Once I get this all situated or whatever and I figure out what I'm gonna do, which is probably take some from the back and put them up front. So I'll see y'all. I don't even know, y'all. Just keep watching.
You're gonna cry in the car.
Alright, y'all, so I took 2 from the back and thankfully they were already dry. Like, my hair wasn't soaking wet to begin with and they were already dry. They're good enough. They're holding the form. So I had to steal some from the back so I could put them up front. So now I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I got a good little process going. So let's see. Alright, so now that I have it detangled, I'm just going to twist the root, then hook it on there, and then you pull it through. And there it is. One more time for the one time. Then you twist at the root, get the hook, place it on, and then slide it through. Alright guys, so I'm finished. Once I got the hang of it, it got a little bit easier. So now that I have them all in, I'm just going to go sit up under my hooded dryer and I'll be back when I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm back, so let's go ahead and take these out and see the results. So, I don't like it. I'm not feeling this, y'all. This is ugly. This is ugly. I don't even know what to do with this to try to save it, but y'all, this was a fail for me. If y'all want to try it, y'all can. But yeah, this ain't for me, dog. This is not for me.